Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add date and time widget on Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To add a date and time widget on Windows 11 using Rainmaker, follow these steps. So firstly, open Google Chrome and visit the Rainmaker website, or click the link provided in the video description below. Then click on download button. Once the file is downloaded, click on it in the top right corner of your browser to open it. Click OK, then click Next, followed by Install, and finally, click on Finish. Minimize all open windows to view your desktop. Right-click on the system area, navigate to Illustro, then System, and choose System to activate the System Monitoring widget. To remove any unwanted widgets, such as the Disk widget, right-click on it, go to Variant, and choose the option with a dot to remove it. You can now move the Time widget to your desired position on the desktop by using the drag and drop feature. To remove the Welcome widget, right-click on it, navigate through the list row. These steps will help you set up a customized date and time display on your Windows 11 desktop using Rainmaker. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.